Hi, yoga buddies! Today, we're doing a big, gentle stretch for little bodies. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can practice yoga with us every week. Let's stretch and feel really good in our bodies. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Stand with legs wide. Fold forward from the hips, hands on the floor or legs straight and strong. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Body in a straight line from head to heels, wrists under shoulders, core engaged. Keep your front knee bent. Lift your front arm up and back. Feel a gentle stretch through your side body. Breathe in confidence. Then repeat on the opposite side. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Feet slightly wider than hips, bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible, hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Let's stay here and breathe together for 30 seconds. Slow breath in through the nose and slow breath out through the mouth. Feel your body soft, long, and relaxed. Great job, yoga buddies! You stretched your whole body and did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time. Namaste.